ఈ రోజు మన లక్షట్పేట లోకల్లో జరుగుతున్న మెగా జాబ్ మేల్ లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడానికి వచ్చిన శ్రీనిధ గారు మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. సో ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా అనిపించింది, ఎక్కడ ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఇచ్చారో ఒకసారి క్లియర్ గా తెలుసుకుందాం వారి మాటల్లో.
Firstly, a very good morning. My name is Shinita. I came from a Peddampet. It is a very rural area. When I listened about this Lakshitpet job mela, I was very excited to get a job in this. Firstly, a very thank to Dumpala Sanni Garu, Bastel Solutions CEO and founder, for organizing such a beautiful event over here in a rural area mainly. In this job mela, I attended to the Genpact company. It was a great experience for me. Next I applied for the stall number 1, which is regarded to the Tech Mahindra company and some other companies, IT related. I next applied for the Joya Lucas. It was a very good experience. Overall, the event was very good. It was my first experience over here, like a job mela. I would like to attend some more job melas in the further to get a job. Thank you for giving this opportunity.